Hey everyone, Jeff McGinnis, Cross Country Mortgage. It's great to see everybody again. I've got another question with our illustrious credit pro at National Credit Care. He's blushing, but it's all well-deserved. But here's a guy, Anthony Iacobucci. I've known him for over a decade. I've been referring clients to him for credit optimization and remediation. He's got the credentials. His team is really good to answer this question. The question for today, Anthony, is what, I get this one all the time, all the time. People are really scared of getting an inquiry. So I want to know the truth here, the real do's and don'ts about this. So what is the impact of a hard inquiry on your credit score?
Yeah, it tends to be the most talked about, I think, in regards to the Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FICO algorithm that computes the credit score. A hard inquiry, which is going to be in 3 different verticals: mortgage, credit card, as well as auto. It's going to be 2 to 5 points per inquiry. So if you start accumulating multiple inquiries in a 30-day time period, they tend to add up pretty quickly. I've seen some really disastrous stories within probably the auto industry the most. They're known to pull it 8-10 times in a day. I don't want to discourage people from having the ability to shop rate, but just be conscientious of it when you are in the midst of the home buying process, because you start accumulating 3, 4, 5, 6 different inquiries in a month. Oftentimes your score can drop 15, 18, 24 points sometimes. So to kind of hit the nail on the head with what is a loss at the 2 to 5 point loss on a hard inquiry, which is any sort of financing being added to the credit profile, financeable debt.
Got it. And that's per car loan inquiry, per credit card inquiry.
Exactly. Per mortgage inquiry. Yep.
Mortgage inquiry. And they look in a 30-day window?
Yep. They'll score all of them within 30 days.
All right. Cool. Anthony, thank you so much for your insight. I really appreciate it. It's great to see you again, and we'll circle back again soon.
Thanks, everyone. Take care.